everyone, this is my take on the difference between cinematography and videography. According to Lexico, cinematography is defined as the art of photography and camera work in filmmaking, while videography is defined as the process or art of making video films. To make it simpler, cinematography is the planning on how should the video creation takes place, and videography creates a video. According to Frank Romano, a cinematographer, or also known as the director of photography, is part of a large crew and is responsible for artistic and technical decisions regarding the photography of a motion picture, in accordance to the director's vision. They do not operate a camera in the production phase, therefore they focus more on the pre-production phase. Meanwhile, a videographer is a camera operator that usually works on their own or sometimes is a part of a small crew. Since they are mostly a soloist, they cater the pre-production, production, and post-production of a video. Basically, a cinematographer's job is more specific, while a videographer does everything in filmmaking.